Dr. Greg here with another video about how to deal with fear. And the final trick or technique you can use to sort of help out with fear, and I'm going to wrap everything up in another video, but this one has to do with being outside in nature. And some of these things are going to be important and will be spin-offs from this talk, but one is just simply walking can actually help with fear and anxiety and anger. And being outside, looking at the trees, remember I mentioned in another video a while ago about looking at different shades of green, all have positive aspects, positive impact on your frontal lobe. Now, when your frontal lobe gets stronger, what happens is it suppresses the amygdala and suppresses that stress hormone release. Now, walking actually accesses other parts of your brain that can override the stressness, the amygdala, and the stress parts of your brain. There's a part of the brain called the PMRF, which I talked about before, which is instrumental in walking. And by increasing the PMRF, you actually decrease that red nucleus, which we talked about. It's sort of the enemy of the PMRF. And by suppressing the red nucleus, you actually suppress the release of stress hormones and the amygdala. So looking at green, looking at flowers, feeling the fresh air, breathing in the fresh air, walking, all are positive impacts on reducing stress and reducing fear and reducing those stress hormones. So that's it. That's Dr. Greg with changing the way we look at your health.